Here are pieces to an antique chandelier, an antique brass and crystal chandelier. Here are the crystals. When I went to buy this from Facebook Marketplace, I did not know I was going to have a DIY chandelier. I thought it was going to be in one piece. But I have taken a magnet and to determine that it is actually brass because it won't stick. So that's good. I just need to clean it now. It has nice wires already that I will wire through here, and I'll take some video of that. This is to replace this light fixture once it is done, and I am actually looking forward to the project. To start the cleaning process, I am soaking the little decorative handles in vinegar and water. Then I'll scrub them lightly with a toothbrush, get off any dirt, and then we'll decide if we need to do something like putting ketchup on them for the brass to shine up. To make the cleaning easier, I have disconnected the main part of the chandelier. The arms were already disconnected. I've taken out the wire. This was along the inside of this, and someone had spliced it together at some point. Looks a little sketch. And then it was also added here and hooked together. So I'm going to get one long piece to replace all of this. But this is the order, taking pictures, so this is the order that it all goes back together. And then the chain up here. So time to do more cleaning. As a reminder, this screws into here, and then this screws over that. Time to clean the crystals. Dish soap, vinegar, and warm water. And I'll use a soft microfiber cloth. I bought these fixture chain pliers to disconnect these two pieces, these two links, and add them to one of the ends if I need them. The other end is way over there. So I'm going to unwrap these and see how they work. Okay, I have the pliers in, and then you're just supposed to squeeze down, which opens. Can't do this with just one hand. Which opens it up. And to close it, you use the inside section. I'm hooking up the arms to the base. I've got 6 of them done so far. So I'm removing this nut and washer and inserting them. I had them upside down first. Had them in, then had to twist them around. And inserting them and adding the nut and washer and tightening it down. 6 done, 4 to go. Now that all the arms are attached, I need to connect the white wires to the white wires, the black wires to the black wires, and then each of them to the correct side of the main wire. Okay, I've tied or twisted 5 of the black over here together, 5 of the white, 5 of the white, and 5 of the black. Now I'm going to take a short piece of the wire and tie one to here and one to here, and then put that one on the main one. I don't know if that makes sense, but you'll see what I mean. I have it all wired, so there are 5 of the whites here and 5 of the whites there with a lead wire each, and then connected to the main wire. And all of these are the flat ones. There are 2 sides to the wire. Then over here we have 5 of the black and 5 of the black, and each has a lead wire to connect to the main wire. So I'm going to have someone check it out, make sure I did it correctly. Wish me luck. If you'd like more information on this project, please go to myperpetualproject.com. Thanks for watching.